Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to delete or deregister your Kindle account directly in the Kindle app, then you are in the right place. Whether you are selling your Kindle device, switching accounts, or just want to clean things up, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Kindle app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in the app, tap on More button. This will open up a menu with various settings. Now click on Settings. After that, scroll all the way down and click on Close your account. Then click on Learn More and Continue. Here, another screen will open where you are told that if you delete your Kindle account, then everything that is linked to your account will be deleted. Then scroll all the way down and click on Choose Reason. Choose your preferred reason and then click on Yes, I want to permanently close my account. After that, click on Close my account. A confirmation is required to delete your account. The confirmation text or verification text will be in your mail. Check your mail and click on OK. After that, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.